Hey Gnome Army, it's General Gardener, and I'm reaching out to you because the Gnome Army has now reached 1,250 subscribers. So it's awesome to have all those pollinators out there coming to the channel.
Alright then, I've gathered you here. You know why. Project Infiltrate the Urban Garden is on. You all know the plan. We plan to go and infiltrate the urban garden tonight. At midnight.
Are there any questions, men and ladies?
Yeah. Are you gonna be there too, sir? 'Cause we need our fearless leader. We need to stand by you, sir.
Of course not, you schmuck. I'm gonna be here at HQ, you dumbass.
I'm sorry, sir. It was just a question.
Yeah, but a stupid one. Now shut up.
Will there be any more stupid questions?
No, sir. Of course not. No, sir. No more stupid questions, sir.
Alright then, you dumbasses. Like I said, you're gonna go out there tonight at midnight and enter through the northeast corridor. And you better not get caught, you assholes. You know, we gotta go out there and put all those damn dislikes. So get out there, and you get those dislikes. Damn it. Last I heard, the asshole was up to 1,250 subscribers. Damn it.
That stupid General Gardener. He'll never see us coming.
We must put a stop to this. Last time I heard, because he reached the 1,250, he's gonna give away more beans. And, damn it, he always wants everybody to keep Happy Staystone at Urban Garden.
That's right. You heard it from the troll over there. This guy's giving away some more beans. So, for being part of my loyal Gnome Army and being wonderful pollinators of this happy, peaceful, loving channel, I'm offering you guys a gift. And that gift is going to be 10 beans. This one's for the trolls. So, you know, normally I offer 5. But because the trolls are involved, and they want to, you know, infringe on the urban garden, what pisses off the trolls more than giving out free beans? So what you guys get is 10. So if you'd like to get yourself 10 beans for being a loyal supporter of the urban garden, all you have to do is put in your number 1 through 1,250. So yes, get in your number 1 through 1,250. The closest to the number wins. It doesn't matter if you go over or under. If there is a tie, whoever is closest without going over shall win. It's as simple as that. So thank you for being loyal pollinators of the urban gardening. I have not chosen what beans I'm going to give out. I haven't decided if I'm going to give 5 of this and 5 of that. We'll see. I'll let you guys know when I do pick a winner. But you only have, this is it guys, 24 hours to get your number in. So it is about 8 o'clock p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. So get in your number by 8 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time tomorrow, August 12th, to be part of this giveaway. I will select the winner tomorrow night, and I will post that video tomorrow night, so you guys will know right away who that lucky gnome is. So thank you guys very much again, and as always, keep happy, stay stoned. An urban garden, folks.